Hi, this is a layout of my current classroom that is set up to support tiered instruction and differentiated instruction. I've divided my room into 3 quadrants that allow me to work with individual students. If I'm working with students in a small group and I need a projector, they sit in this area in quadrant 1 so that they can see the projected images. It's a dry erase board, and the projector projects onto it, which is very nice because then they can mark directly on whatever text we're working with. If I don't need a projector, students sit in quadrant 2, which is this area over here. By sitting here, I will be able to see the entire classroom and be able to be aware of what's going on. Students that are working independently or in small groups work in quadrant 3 over here. I have a variety of tables and chairs that can be flexibly moved around to facilitate tiered instruction. This table in the middle is used for the inner circle for fishbowl discussions, and then the desks on the outside can quickly be moved to form the outer circle. Likewise, they can also be moved to make a Socratic circle and an inner and an outer Socratic circle. I have books on these bookshelves that are available for independent reading and literature studies. Students can access a variety of supplies in the cabinets over here and over here by my desk. There's a dry erase board for students to work with. It's not wonky in my actual classroom because the architecture was designed by real architects and not someone trying out SketchUp for the first time. So essentially, the layout that I've currently got, working with the materials that I have, does support differentiated tiered instruction because just like tiered lesson planning needs to be flexible, the classroom layout needs to be flexible. And due to the individual desks and the tables placed where they are, I can very, very quickly have students work in small groups independently or in a small group with me. Thank you so much.